If someone offered to wash your entire fleet manually for free, would you accept? Most transport companies would say yes, but the biggest fleet operators wouldn't, and the reason has almost nothing to do with labor costs. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why manual washing is becoming one of the biggest hidden risks in modern fleet operations. For years, manual bus washing was considered the normal way to keep fleets clean. More workers meant more vehicles could be washed, and that seemed like a simple solution. But as transport companies expanded, something unexpected happened. The challenge was no longer cleaning buses. The challenge became managing consistency, time, and operational control. Imagine two buses returning to the depot at the same time. One is cleaned by an experienced worker who pays attention to every detail. The other is washed by someone new, working at the end of a long shift. Even if both people work hard, the results will never be exactly the same. Now, multiply that difference across dozens or even hundreds of vehicles every day. That's where manual washing starts to create problems that many companies don't immediately notice. It's not only about appearance, it's about unpredictable processes. Every additional vehicle requires more coordination, more supervision, and more dependence on available labor. During busy periods, washing schedules become harder to manage, vehicles spend longer waiting, and daily operations lose momentum. Modern fleet operators understand that growth requires standardization. They don't want one bus to look cleaner than another. They want every vehicle leaving the depot to meet the same professional standard, regardless of the day, the weather, or who is on duty. That's why many companies are moving toward automated washing systems. Not because manual work has no value, but because consistency becomes more important as fleets grow. Automation transforms washing from a task into a controlled process. Every vehicle follows the same sequence. Every wash delivers the same quality. Managers can predict turnaround times more accurately, organize labor more efficiently, and focus their teams on higher-value responsibilities instead of repetitive cleaning. At Go&Go, we believe the goal isn't simply to replace manual washing. The goal is to remove uncertainty from one of the most repetitive parts of fleet operations. When your washing process becomes predictable, your entire depot becomes easier to manage. Cleaner vehicles become the visible result, but greater operational control is the real advantage. That's why more transport companies are asking a different question today. Instead of asking, how many people do we need to wash our fleet? They're asking, how can we build a smarter process that supports our business for the next 10 years? The answer isn't about working harder. It's about building a system that works smarter every single day. Is your fleet still relying on manual washing? Or are you planning to modernize your depot? Tell us how your current process works. The Go&Go team is ready to help you explore a smarter, more consistent solution built for commercial fleet operations.